What's up, good people? I hope you're having a great week. I am back again today with another new remote opportunity, and it's brought to you by Indeed. So, Home Tree Marketplace Limited need a customer service executive, and they're offering to pay a salary of around 20,000 to 24,000 euro per year. Before I just continue, if you're new to this channel, kindly subscribe and hit on the notification bell button because I upload new videos every single day, and these videos are all about remote job leads, so you will not want to miss any of this opportunity. And also, if you're new, if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for your continuous support. I really appreciate. So okay, let's just continue. Home Tree Marketplace are offering to pay that amount of salary that I've just said, 20,000 to 24,000 euro per year, and it's a full-time permanent remote opportunity job type, and they need this person to fill this role as soon as possible. And the qualification that they will be requiring for the employee is around, you should be qualified as an A level or an equivalent of the same. And also, let us just scroll and see what you'll be required to do when you will be employed as a home-based employee. So they need a person who has experience in working as a customer service or a call center environment in about 12 to 18 months. They also need a confident self-starter with a customer-centric mindset who gets a kick from resolving customers' problems. They also need a disciplined and organized with a keen eye for detail and an ownership mindset. They need a person who can enjoy multitasking, comfortable switching between calls, email system, and tasks. They also need a person who has strong interpersonal skills with an engaging and empathetic manner when communicating on the phone, in person, or in writing. So guys, I don't want to waste much of your time because I want you to apply for this position right away. So I'll just put the link on the description section towards this job list so that you can just so that I can save your time, just as I always do. Also, all the best to those who are going to try this out, and good luck.